Hi, your friend artist Shailesh is going to tell you about how to draw a portrait pencil sketch of beautiful charming child Shavin. Please equip yourself with good quality drawing tools HB pencil, 4B, ruler, eraser and plain recycled sketch paper. Step 1. Create a line drawing with the grid method if you are not comfortable with drawing proportions. Be very careful with the shapes. When you want to draw facial features, start with the eyes or hairs. This helps create a connection with the viewer and start to capture the personality of your subject. When drawing hair, apply your pencil strokes going in the same direction as the hair grows. Step 2. Apply the darks and start building up the hair. If you have used grid lines, then carefully remove it with a kneaded eraser. Otherwise, start applying darkest tones, starting building up the hairs using long pencil strokes. Blend everything out smooth and then lift bands of light out of the hair with a kneaded eraser. Start with the eyes and then move down to the nose and mouth. There are many components and all of them are important. Here are a few hints to help you. The iris and the pupil are perfect circles when the eyes is looking straight at you. If turning away or looking up and down, they become ellipses. The pupil is always perfectly centered within the iris. The pupil is the darkest part of the eye. Fill it in as dark and smooth as possible. Leave an area for a catch light. The catch light should be half in the pupil and half in the iris. The lower lid thickness below the iris is very important. Never just draw a line under the eye. This small detail gives the eye dimension. The white of the eye needs to be blended to resemble a spear shape. Never just leave this area white. The lashes on the upper lid come together to make a dark edge called the lash line. The upper eyelid recesses, making the eyeball take a spear shape. When you finish the eyes, move down and finish the nose, then the mouth. This is called the triangle of features. Allow the darkness of the hair to help create the lighter edge of the face. Placing tone behind the face reduces the chance of things looking outlined. Always remember the five elements of shading with everything you draw: cast shadow, shadow edge, halftone, reflected light, and full light. Apply some dark tones next to the face to help create the light edge. How shading can affect how we perceive light to be drawn, our artwork will reach a stunning realism. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe our channel, do like, share and comment. Visit us at www